Multiple choice question number 2. So, what do we have here? We have a 60-year-old male presents with a bilateral leg pain, numbness, and weakness. Bilateral leg pain, numbness, and weakness is characteristic for spinal stenosis. Worsened with walking and relieved by sitting is another key or clue to spinal stenosis. He also reports low back pain. Another clue. What is the most likely diagnosis? Is it this herniated disc? It doesn't have any history of flex or flexion injury. Degenerative disc disease. It looks very close to it, but it's not because it doesn't have bilateral leg pain. Spinal stenosis, yes. Osteoarthritis, no.